What's up guys, I'm Riley with XKGLOW, and today I'm excited to introduce to you a brand new product, our XKmax grill pods. Our new RGBW pre-runner style grill light pods are one of a kind, making your ride unique and giving it a more rugged look. Now, if you know anything about XKGLOW, you should know that we wouldn't just make another set of amber grill pods. We've made them so much more than that. These can still be used as traditional amber pre-runner style pods, of course, but we pushed the limits in the grill pod market and created our pods with RGBW addressable LEDs using our XKmax technology, giving you 16 million color options and a standalone pure white light. To complete this kit, we've included a fuse tap for the controller to perfectly integrate these grill pods into your vehicle. Since these are mounted at the front of the vehicle, we know that these pods are going to take a beating. That is why we opted for a durable, smoked polycarbonate lens with a fully waterproof housing that is going to allow these lights to perform in any conditions. Being a part of our XKmax family of app controlled lighting, you get addressable technology that offers advanced chasing patterns, music sync, and fully customizable themes. These lights can even be synced with your turn signals, enhancing visibility and adding an extra layer of safety to the front of your vehicle. These pods come in multiple kits, increasing in pod count, going from 3 all the way up to 7. But if you want more, you can easily add on extra pods to better suit your vehicle's style. Now let's take a look at what comes in the box. So in the box, you will get your single channel XKmax controller, a fuse tap with a micro in case your fuse box has that, all of the grill pods, the zip ties or screws to mount the pods, of course the XKGLOW sticker, and the instructions. Installing this kit is incredibly simple, so let's throw these on the Gladiator behind me. After determining where you want to mount them, insert the wires through your grill and use the included zip ties or screws to secure the pods. Continue doing this until you have each pod arranged exactly the way you want it. Once they are installed, connect all of the wiring together, starting towards the controller side, then working your way down the line of pods. Connect the series of pods to the controller. Now use the provided fuse tap to connect the controller to a constant power or ignition fuse location. Connect the negative wire to the negative post of the battery with the provided ring terminal. When the controller is powered on, the logo will begin to flash green, indicating that it is ready to be paired with your device. Search for the XKmax app in your app store or scan the QR code on the back of the instructions to download it. In the upper right corner, tap the hamburger menu, then choose Pair to Controller. The controller will display a solid blue light once your device is paired with it, indicating that the kit has been successfully installed. And that's it. Now you are ready to go and show off your new look. But as I mentioned earlier, you can connect these pods to sync with your turn signals, so check out this video that'll walk you through exactly how to set that up in the app. Thanks for watching this video on our brand new XKmax RGBW pre-runner style grill pods. And if you've enjoyed watching, drop a like and let us know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Make sure you subscribe and follow us on all of our social media pages linked in our bio, and we will see you in the next video.